Yes, your boy Teemkay, guys. I'm back again with another video, guys. If you never subscribe to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. I will appreciate, guys. If you don't subscribe, I will send the ghost at night, guys. You won't sleep. Guys, I'm playing. Okay, guys, let's get into it, guys. How to win betway with 2 rand, guys. How to win betway with a 2 rand. Let me show you how to do this. Smash that subscribe button and smash that like button. I want to show you how you can do this, guys, on this tutorial, guys. I want to make this video not too long, guys. I want to show you how to make this work, guys. I want to show you. Let me show you, guys. Okay, let's choose this one here, and this one, and that one, and go down and choose this one, and this one, guys. I'm choosing teams that I'm 100% sure that they're going to win. I'm not just choosing teams just like that. I'm choosing teams that I'm 100% sure that they're going to make it, guys, on this bet. So wait. Follow my strategy. As you can see, guys, here, you see for yourself how I'm choosing teams, guys. I'm choosing teams that are having low odds, guys. Are having low odds. I'm not going for big odds, guys, because I know that I'm not going to win. Because if I go for this one, but not this one, yeah, I'm going to lose my bet, guys. So that's why I'm choosing this one. 1.35 and 144 is working well for me, guys. So as you can see, guys, this is basically how I choose my bets. I'm not choosing by checking teams that this team, I know this team. No, I don't know football, guys, but I'm actually winning on betway each and every time, guys. I'm winning on betway by looking at the odds, by comparing the odds, guys. Comparing the odds. That's a strategy, guys. That's a strategy to win betway, guys. That is strategy that I'm using, and I've been using this strategy for a while now, and it's working well for me, guys. So if you can implement my strategy, guys, you won't go wrong, guys. You won't. I'm going for highlights. Everything is good here.